Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. Why do we call them satisfying detailing videos? This is why. Alright guys, so we are going to be talking about the Oh My Clean sponges. Basically, they're like the magic eraser knockoff sponges. So we started using these, actually we've been using these for a while now, but I've kind of failed to show on video exactly how we use them. So these are the little blocks, they're called Oh My Clean, but basically they're just your generic cleaning sponges like the magic eraser. Not exactly like them, they're maybe not as durable, however, I think they clean just as effectively because I've used the official magic eraser ones before, and then I started using these. The only difference I saw was that these just didn't last as long, maybe just not as durable. But who cares? You buy them, they're cheap, and they'll last a couple of details, maybe two, maybe one if it's really grungy and gross. But these little guys are awesome to use for plastics and vinyl and leather. Now they clean, to me, they clean better than a brush does because they are slightly abrasive, and especially for plastics and leather that does not have a lot in the grain, you know, like the actual little texture to it. Sometimes the brush can get in there maybe a little bit better, but I still found that these do just as good, if not better. I think they clean faster. So you're going to notice in the video that we use this on the leather, we use it on the center console. There's a lot of that beige textured plastic, basically. So you have your kind of your kick plate down at the bottom of the driver's side that always gets grungy and nasty. And I used to use just a stiff bristle brush to clean that, and it would work, but this works quicker and I just think better. So let's take a look at the video as we go through this detail, and I'll kind of walk you through it.
So the leather here really isn't too bad, but it'll give you an idea of what it can do. So we spray it with an all-purpose cleaner first. Without using too much pressure. And it doesn't really take that much time to remove that grime. Now the door handle on the driver's side was worse, so let's do a quick 50-50. Just a little bit of agitation goes a long way. You can already see results. And you notice the microfiber alone doesn't remove it, but the magic eraser really does a great job of removing that dirt. So let's do the rest of it. So a little bit more scrubbing and everything comes clean. Let's get a closer look. Ah, much better.
So guys, that's my thoughts on the magic eraser knockoffs. You can buy these on Amazon or eBay. I'll have some links down below to check these out. Let me know if you use these and if you like using them. Maybe some of the drawbacks to them, some of the pros and cons. You know, they don't last. Sometimes they kind of break apart. If you're too aggressive cleaning something, then they kind of fall apart. But again, it's not a big deal. They're so cheap that you can just get a huge bulk load of them and use them, you know, on your details when you're doing interior. Now, I haven't used these on the exterior. Some guys have suggested using these on paint for maybe overspray. I don't know about that. Since they are abrasive, maybe they might act like a 3,000 or 5,000 grit sandpaper or just a really aggressive clay bar. I haven't tested that out yet. I might try it on my own vehicle because I have black paint on my Avalon, so we'll check it out and see. But just to kind of test it and see. But I'll leave that for another video. I'll probably make some more videos on these because these are so awesome to use. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it or benefit from it, and definitely consider subscribing, clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in the tools and products that we use in our videos, then click up here. That goes to a dedicated page on our website that has tools, products, and apparel. And you can click on any of those links, leads you right to Amazon or our online store, and you can purchase all of that stuff easily. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.